friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today is a very fun day here as always on my channel. Today is the day we are unboxing my Stitch Fix unboxing. Alright, so as you guys know, I love getting my Stitch Fix orders every month and sharing them with you guys of what I get in my fun packages. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay. So I'm really excited to go through these items with you guys. As always, there will be a try-on portion at the end of the video so you guys can see what everything looks like on my body. But first, let's start with something very cute and I'm very excited about. And it is a very stretchy, very cute blue distressed denim jacket. I have another denim jacket that I received from Stitch Fix a while back, I think if you guys remember that video, and I wear it constantly, so this distressed vibe, very cute. So this is the Just USA Hadid distressed denim jacket in blue, size small. I really like it. It looks a little shorter maybe than my other one and maybe a little bit smaller, so we'll have to see what it looks like on, but I think this is so cute. Okay, next, as always, we have a pair of jeans, and these actually look really cute. These are just a pair of black, just skinny jeans, and at the very bottom, they have kind of this distressing detail, which is really cute, and kind of like an unfinished hem, which is some of my favorite things in jeans right now. So I'm actually kind of excited about these. These are the Piscola Ariel Skinny Distressed Frayed Hem Jean in black, size 0. So I'm not sure about the size, as we've kind of seen here on my channel. I've gotten a little, I'm not always the size 0 fit of the jeans anymore, so we'll have to see what they feel like on. They do feel pretty stretchy though, so I'm hopeful. Next, we have something, ooh, this is cute. Okay, hello. So this is a black, like, not cocktail dress, but it's like a knitted material. It's really hard to show on camera, so I'm gonna have to do a video, which we'll do obviously, like I said, at the end. But this is the Gold Ray Frida knit dress in black, size small. And it is this really cute, like, ooh, I'm thinking for fall doing this with like some high knee boots, like a red sweater. Ooh, this could be really cute. I love, okay, this is why I love Stitch Fix, when it inspires me of like, ooh, this would be a cute outfit to like pull all together. So yeah, this just looks like it's a V in the front with like some ruching on the side. This could be really cute, and it looks like it's going to be really warm too, which is great. Okay, next we have a really, oh, okay, this could be interesting. This is a, let's see, oh, this is from Lush. Okay, so some of the Lush stuff I get quite a bit from in Stitch Fix boxes. This is just a really cute, like, cropped green. The color of this is actually really pretty. I hope this fits. Like, tank top. And this is the Lush Perina tie front satin crop top blouse in green, size small. So it's actually really cute. I really hope that fits. We all know my chest sometimes does not allow for these kinds of tops, so I really hope that fits because that would be actually really cute for the fall. Okay, and the last thing we have is another something knitted, and it is a, oh, cute romper. Okay, whoever the stylist was for this box, kudos to you. This is a really cute box. Okay, so this looks like just a knit red burgundy type of like crop top with this little cute tie detail here in the middle, and then it just goes into shorts. This is actually really cute, and this would be really comfy just to like run around the house in, go run errands with. Like, I like this. So this is the Market and Spruce Graceland knit romper in burgundy, size small. Okay, I see you. I see you. Okay, so I'll be honest, guys, this is probably one of the most excited I've been for a box in a really long time. Whoever this stylist is, I'm definitely gonna request them again because they're, I think the one thing I'm noticing is they're hitting more in what my style is and my age range, because I feel like for a while I was getting like really, I don't want to say old stuff, but stuff that like more like my mom would wear. And yes, I'm almost 30, but I like to dress cute and fun and, you know, kind of in that happy medium where I'm not dressing old, but I'm not dressing like a teenager. It's a weird place to live, I know. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the items. Now let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion of the video. Oh, frick yeah. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is why I keep subscribing to this box. Also, I got feedback in my last video to talk through the outfits, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm obsessed with everything on my body right now. The jeans fit fantastically. They are super comfy. They're a little bit stretchy like I was hoping. They're fitted all the way down. Love it. I know I don't have a good angle for that, but the shirt is not too tight, not too loose. I feel like it sits at a good place on me, and this jacket fits like a glove. It's so cute. The sleeve length, I'm not gonna lie, is probably my ideal sleeve length for anything ever. So far for 3 for 3. I'm obsessed. So thrilled, peachy thrilled. I'm sorry, what? Who is she? Okay, I need to look up who this stylist is because girl, you freaking killed it. 4 for 4. I love this. It's so cute. I'm gonna try and show you guys more of the bottom. Excuse the guinea hay. But like, you guys, it's so fitted, it's comfortable. I'm obsessed. Like, okay, imagine this with like a cute sweater over it, some cute booties. I wish this was a little straighter cross. Like, I don't totally love the like drape down, but you know what? It's fine. We can get through that. Oh my God. Yes. Okay. We've come to the one sort of sour note in this whole box. What do you guys think? I need your feedback. Give it to me straight. We know I have a big chest, so the way I want this to sit gives it a weird boob scoop. Am I wrong? So I have short torso, very long legs. So what's happening is like the crotchy part of this is just like down to my knees. I don't know. You guys got to be honest with me on this one. Do I keep the whole thing because I pretty much would get this for free? I don't know. I need you guys to be honest with me. Tell me what's up. I don't know if I love it. Let me know down in the comments below. Pretty please. But that being said, hands down, I think this is the most excited I've ever been about a box in a really long time. So we're requesting my stylist again, and I'm thrilled. So thank you all, and let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so that is everything for this month's Stitch Fix unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know down in the comments below which items were your favorites, which ones you guys think I should keep or send back. And as always, I will have my coupon code for you guys to try out Stitch Fix for yourself down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!